Okay, next we will cover how to complete a trip using the credit card PayPal system. So as you can see right now, we're available in zone 245. I'm going to flag my meter because in this scenario the person just walked up to my cab. So the iCabbie system shows that I'm now hired. We want to meter off in order to, now this is very important. You want to meter completely off. Don't just time off. You go time off, then hired, and that will completely shut your meter off. And that's how you bring up the payment method screen there on the tablet. This will enable you to accept the payment methods. We'll go ahead and select card, and you'll see the PayPal here application launch and connect to your Bluetooth PayPal device on the rear seat. As you can see, the indicator light is on, and your customer will now be prompted to add a tip, as you can see there on the screen. Now on your tablet, it's going to show you that you're waiting for the customer to input on the terminal. Right, so it's important to note what's happening on both devices so that you can kind of walk a customer through the transaction if there's any issues with payment. So once the customer decides that they want to add a tip, they can enter a tip amount, select, and then they will be prompted to confirm the amount that they entered. As you can see there at the top of the screen, it's the meter plus the tip. The tip is included. The customer will confirm the amount, and the green indicator light will turn on to allow the customer to swipe their card. So we will swipe across the top. Let's try that again. Swipe across the top. And if you notice on the screen, it says the chip card has been detected, and to insert. So your customer will have to insert their card, as you can see there on the bottom of the terminal. And the payment will be processed. And here the signature screen has been deployed, indicating that the customer will have to sign for this. Now this is probably the trickiest part of the transaction because your tablet is mounted on the front seat, so it's going to be a little bit awkward. The customer will have to reach over the seat to sign. So they sign to complete the payment. Payment has been completed in the amount of $13. We'll remove the card in order to complete this portion of it. It's now asking if the customer would like a receipt. If they do, you can select text to send a receipt or email. So we'll send a receipt. It will send, bring you back to the finish screen, and then it will authorize it will send you the authorization code, which you can write down for your own records. Press OK once you're done, and it will put you back in zone. And that's how you process a credit card transaction.